Čaute ľudia pri novom videu, dneska ideme hrať už chapter 3, Deep Sleep. Videl som, že sa vám tie chapter 2 veľmi páčia a hlavne tá tretia časť, ľudia kamo, ste neuveriteľní, 840 zliadnutí, 20 lajkov. Ak dobre vím, cca 10 alebo 9 odoberateľov pribudlo za to video, kamo, vy ste neuveriteľní ľudia. Dúfam, že sa vám toto video bude páčiť tiež. Dajte na toto video like a odber. A my môžeme ísť na video.
What's the time? Playtime! S-M-I-L-E every day! When you are down and out, don't need to frown and pout. Smiley critters here to say S-M-I-L-E every day!
Či Magora som si pekne zavajboval. Počkajte.
The wind's really scary. I can't sleep.
Hey, we'll be okay, guys. I promise. All winds blow away. Eventually. Catnap! Please, help us go to sleep,
We
Catnap!
need it, Catnap.
Please help us.
Sleep, sleep, sleep.
Ty Magora.
Everyone knows Huggy Wuggy and Poppy Playtime, but are your children safe from Playtime Co.'s latest toy? What you've seen here is Playtime Co.'s own Smiling Critters, a limited series cartoon meant to celebrate the release of the toys sharing its name. Yet both now face the fire sparked by the inclusion of one key member. This is Catnap. And like the others of his line, you just pull his little tail and seems innocent enough. However, parents across the country report their children experiencing strange and often violent nightmares. And beside them, their little, grinning Catnap doll. Now, with controversy growing, Playtime Co. has announced the recall of all Catnap toys from the Smiling Critters line. His image cleared from all promotional material. But damage already done, will disappearing be that easy? The exact cause of these incidents still unknown, only one thing appears glaringly certain. Your children are not safe with Catnap.
Pekný začátek. O. Catnap? Jesus. Good. Find the way out. Kde mám ísť? Tam mám. Ajajaj. No, čiže. Nic neviem robiť. Jaj. Mám taký pocit, že som to pekne dopokúkal. Neviem prečo. Tu mám robiť parkourku. Mám ísť sem? Asi jo. Jedne nevidím, že by som šel. Okurňa. Okurňa! Pramen má rozdiel stroj. Takže prvý krát som zomrel. Tak som postihnutý. Yes. Prečo to dostane? Neviem ani skákať. Nie. Take down. Ja som sprostý. Ja som si myslel, že sa mám hojdať. To som mal potiahnuť most. Ideme ľudia do venty. Ľudia, napíšte do komentáru, že ktoré video zatiaľ z Poppy Playtime sa vám najviac páčilo. Že či Poppy Playtime Chapter 1, Poppy Playtime Chapter 2, jedna časť, druhá časť a tretia časť. Ktoré sa vám najviac páčilo, napíšte do komentárov. Aha, kazeta ľudia. Prvá kazeta. Skip, potom ešte.
All right, Miss Harper. Please explain the situation. Spare no detail. Well, like any night, all the children were getting asleep. It was peaceful, quiet. Catnap had the red smoke in the room. Then suddenly, there was this scream. Nightmares happen, I know, but this, I mean, dilated pupils and quivering lips. The way her eyes darted around the room, and I swear, her hand in mine, it felt like her blood was boiling beneath her skin. She saw something too, something horrible. I'm sorry, I don't mean to. Miss Harper, we'll provide the very best care we can offer. You have my word. But this is important. Did Marie happen to describe what she saw? Yes, a monster, she said that it was colorless. Gosh, I could feel the poor little heart pounding. For her, it was right there. And her movements, they were so wild. Arms flailing, legs kicking. I wanted to talk to her, see how she's doing. I really need to hear her voice right now. That would not be advised, Miss Harper. There are many concerns we must address at this time. But vitals show normal, and we'll continue to monitor. She'll be okay. No! Well, pardon me if I'm not comforted by that. Just bring my little girl back to me.
Smutno. Tam možno dievču robiť nejakú hračku z nej. Aha, tu nás odhodil ten catnap. Place battery into the socket to separate the Ešte jedna batéria.
I'm Bubba Bubbaphant. Hey, I remember you. An elephant always remembers. Want to know what I remember of...
OK. Tak to mi volá. Dajte mi telefón. Telefón.
Hey, can you hear me? You look
Yes.
kind of lost. I don't want you to die, so I'm gonna help you. Check this out. Look at the tube thing on the back wall. Ready? Boom! You can use that battery to open the door. Whoa! Did you do that? I guess that's where Catnap found you. I know you're probably mad at Poppy for not letting you escape, but she needs you. We need you. You are our mission. Together, we can save a lot of people, including you. Playcare is straight ahead. It's the home of Catnap, one of the smiling critters.
kontroly. Fú, ale akože čudujem sa, že prežije tú havariu. Akože. Ideme hore ľudia.
Hey, I'm Chicken. Wanna go outside and hang out?
Ty určite zakričíš zase, takže...
Hello. My name is Elliot Ludwig. When you look around at the world today, what one thing do you think it needs more of? I asked around once. Money, I never have enough. Understanding, I can never get any. Faith, the common man has lost it. Each answer was different, and I could perhaps see some little truth in each. But I think each was also missing something. Something simple. You see, not one of them could muster a smile. A smile is hope. A smile is love. A smile is understanding. And there is nothing more gratifying to my soul than being the reason for a child's smile. To be the spark that ignites all their hopes and dreams. For it is only through hopes and dreams that we may create a better world. One where our children need not be afraid. One where they are protected. After all, this company and its toys are nothing without them. These children deserve to smile. They deserve to love. And they deserve a safe home. That is why it is with enormous pleasure that as the founder of Playtime Co., I announce...
Keď
Playcare,
lidi.
our very own on-site orphanage. But it's not only that. It's a school, a playhouse, a place to belong. Our very own ecosystem beneath the surface, dedicated in every inch and detail to ensuring a child's smile. Its teachers and counselors, mothers and fathers, until such a time they have all of that in you. May Playcare bring joy, inspiration, and smiles to all who enter these doors. For what gives life its meaning if not a smile?
Ja chci se hrát. Nemám kľúč. Au. Inventory. Aha, tu mám tieto. To budem mať viac rúk. Prosím, že to je to. Prosím. Oh! Jo, lidi, my sme to našli bez videa. Po 20 minútach. Ale ne, dobre. 10 minút. Find a way to divert the gas. Dobre. O. Nový grabpack. Lidi, koukejte. Hustý. Krvavá voda. Tu sa nechcem kúpať. Nemusím, ako Egypťania. Jo, aha. Jo, aha. Aha. Až teď mi to došlo, keď som sa to kouknul. Ne. Jaj. Yes, lidi. Wow. Až teď vidím, to tam je díra. No veď jo. Jak to mám otočit, bro? Dúfam, že sa vám toto video páčilo. Ak hej, tak dajte like a odber. A my sa vidíme pri ďalšom videu. Zatiaľ čaute.